After using the Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses for 6 months, are they worth it? Let's find out. What's good? Looks just like normal Ray-Bans, stylish and simple. Built-in 12MP camera, hands-free photos and videos. Good speakers, works well for music and calls. Meta AI Assistant, send messages, take photos, ask questions. Water resistant, light rain okay. Charging case included, up to 36 hours battery. What's not great? Camera only shoots in portrait mode. Meta AI sometimes gives wrong answers. Can't track if lost, no Find My support. Photo click delay of 1 to 2 seconds. Gets a little heavy after long use. Should you buy? If you're already thinking of buying $170 to $230 designer sunglasses, this is a smart upgrade for $57 more. Great for travel, daily moments, or fun recordings. Check price and latest styles in the comment link below.